Alright, these are what I found in our dryer pipe. Apparently mommy decided to have the nest in our dryer pipe. And I gotta go and get them some worms. So my only option for now is to just leave them on the porch because mom just flew out of our place and I know that she can see them. I just fed them with 4 worms. They should be calm by now. So I got some more earthworm. The mom is absolutely exhausted. She flew all over the place for them. So just some more. Come on, baby, come on. Okay, okay, here you go, here you go, here you go. Okay, okay, now be nice. Be nice, be nice. Got a lot. Yes, ma'am. Or sir. Here you go, baby. Okay, okay, simmer down.